Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are well. My name is Ajay and I welcome you to our channel Hello GFX. In this video, I am going to teach you how to slice any text in Illustrator within just 3 steps. Yes guys, within just 3 steps. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you all see on the screen, I just made this slicing text a while before. So now let's set it on a new layer. I would like to suggest you to take the bold font like Franklin Gothic Heavy. Here it is. And now click and drag any corner of the text with holding Shift key to scale it up. So our first step is to create the text in outline mode, or you can open it from type drop down menu. This one, simply click on it. And now draw a line from wherever you want to slice the text. Now our second step is to select the text and line. Open Pathfinder from window drop down menu. Shortcut key is Shift Ctrl F9 and divide it. After dividing, select the text and ungroup it. After ungrouping, select the upper part of text like this and group it. Same with the lower text, select, group it. And now our last step is to remove the extra paths. Simply press Ctrl Y to change the view of your artboard into a black and white screen that will show you only the outlines. Select this and delete. And there is one more here. Select and delete. So finally, we have sliced the text in such 3 steps. I will mention all the 3 steps in description below. It will help you. And friends, this is the very beginning of our channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for interesting videos that will help you in your career. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.